Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a very interesting, super healthy and easy breakfast recipe of three-way sandwich for you all. So let's get started. The first sandwich recipe I'm sharing with you all is my favorite everyday meal, the veggie sandwich. For this recipe, all you need is chopped onions, capsicum and tomatoes, chopped green chilies, malai or mayonnaise, bread, salt, red chili powder and black pepper powder. To a bowl, add the finely chopped onions, capsicum and tomatoes. Then add 2 to 3 spoons of homemade malai, which is my secret ingredient. You can also replace it with mayonnaise. Add green chilies, salt, red chili powder and black pepper powder and mix well. Apply this mixture evenly on a bread slice and grill until golden brown. Cut your sandwich from the center and it is ready to be served. The second recipe is my favorite recipe from college, cheese corn sandwich. For this recipe, all you need is diced paneer cubes, sweet corn, grated mozzarella cheese, bread, chili flakes and oregano, salt, pizza pasta sauce and mayonnaise. To a mixing bowl, add the diced paneer cubes, sweet corns, chili flakes and oregano, 2 spoons of pizza pasta sauce, 2 spoons of mayonnaise and salt. Mix well. You can add onions and capsicum, which is totally optional as per your taste. Then add good amount of grated mozzarella cheese and mix everything well. Then on a bread slice, add some grated cheese. Then add the sandwich filling and some more cheese on top and grill this until golden brown. Cut your sandwich from the center and it is ready to be served. The third and the last sandwich recipe I'm gonna share with you all is Bombay style sandwich, which is totally full of flavors. We'll start by preparing the special masala. In a pan, take few cloves of long, kali mirch, jeera, dhania seeds and saunf and roast for a minute. Then add half a spoon of amchur powder and mix well. Cook for another minute and then transfer these masalas in a mixing jar and add red chili powder, salt, black salt, chaat masala and a pinch of hing. Grind these masalas until you get a fine powder. For the Bombay sandwich recipe, all you need is boiled sliced potatoes, the special masala we prepared, butter, homemade green chutney, sliced onions, capsicum, cucumber and tomatoes, and bread. A apply melted butter on a bread slice and homemade green chutney on the other. Comment down below if you want me to share the recipe of the homemade green chutney I'm using in this recipe. Then start placing few slices each of boiled potatoes, onions, cucumber, tomato and capsicum. Add a pinch of the special masala we just prepared after every layer of the vegetables. You can eat this sandwich as it is or grill this until golden brown. Cut into small cubes and your Bombay style sandwich is ready to be served. That's it for this video guys. I hope you all like it. Comment down below which out of the three was your favorite sandwich recipe. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. See you in my next one.